All right, something I want to show you very quickly about citing sources from, let's say, I watch a video on YouTube. What I need to do then is I need to cite it, and I am gonna encourage you to go ahead and use EasyBib, even though you may want to consult a manual of style to help you. But I have an EasyBib account that I've signed up for free, and I kind of like it because if you look, I have been able to save some of my projects. But let's just say I want to call this Animal Project 2016, and then I got to choose a subject, and it's going to be for English class, and animals helping people. So I'm going to go ahead and create that. And then see where it says Animal Project right here. I think if I go here, all right, video, film, journal, or you have all 59 options. So I'm going to go, let's see if they give me video or film. Let me try this, see if it works. And I'm going to try and see what this says. Okay, so it's going to give me, by just doing that much, it gave me all of this. If I hit continue to the final step, and then it says edit what I can, if I can figure out who the authors or contributors were, that is really helpful. So let's go back into EasyBib, and sometimes you can figure out authors or contributors on here. You guys probably know this better than I do. Is this the name of the person? I don't know. Oh my.
Despite the fact that we live here, we don't know everything there is.
Okay, I don't know what happened there. But I guess I'm assuming that perhaps this is the channel. So I'm not sure if I need that or not, to be honest with you. I've not usually cited things from YouTube before. But I'm going to go ahead and see what happens if I hit create citation. And it's telling me that this is my citation. So I'm going to go ahead, copy and paste my citation, and then I can go ahead and paste this into my project. Like I said, the best thing to do though is if you go to all 59 options. Even if you go to all 59 options, sometimes we could see if it has a YouTube article on here. I don't think it does, so it looks like it's just video, yeah, online video or film. So you click on online video or film, and then we could go through here and, you know, go ahead and try to fill in all those fields. In this case, it worked to go ahead and copy and paste it right in there. So once you make a works cited page, if you have an EasyBib account and you put all of your things in here, and you have several videos, or if you find an online article, it will alphabetize them for you, because your works cited page, your works cited slide needs to be in alphabetical order, and it needs to be formatted properly. For now, I would just ask that you find one source. If you happen to start finding more than one, please tell me and I will help you. But let's say, for example, you're going to do one about dolphins and people. So if we do an image, if you want to cite an image, and it's interesting because MLA says if it's just for classroom purposes, you don't necessarily need it, but you have to go to the actual website. So this was the picture I wanted. You can't just cite it from that other spot. You actually have to go to this website. So this is the thing that you would want to copy. So if I was going to use that picture, I need to go get it from the actual website. And then if I wanted to go into the EasyBib, search for my source, I need to go back because I am searching for, I'm actually searching for a picture. So if I'm going to go to, gotta see if I have digital image. Let's go digital image. I'm going to go for digital, maybe I don't want digital image either. We'll try here. Website title. Whoops. Okay. And then publisher or sponsor, I can go back in here. Sometimes you find that kind of at the bottom, publisher or sponsor. I'm going to say that it's probably related to this non-human rights project. So that would be the sponsor, non-human rights project, non-human rights project. And then I'm going to put the URL in here. MLA does not require you to display the URL address. So unless your teacher asks for it, you don't need it. And I personally don't want it. And then if you look here, this is what I want right here. It's when was it posted? Let's look. This one was posted on June 26th of 2013. So I need to go back in here and I need to say 26. I need to say June and I need to say 2013. And then I can go ahead and I can hit create citation. So if I want to use that picture, I'm going to copy and paste this one into my Works Cited page. Now, it should work that it's going to go into my my citations for this project. And what's cool is I can add all my citations in here, and it will save them for me and put them in alphabetical order. And then I can just take it all at once by click, and then I can export it, or I believe I can just copy and paste them from here. So you do need a Works Cited page, and just to simplify it, to make sure we, I guess since we're just learning about this one, I'm going to ask that you just have one citation. Because it's educational and we're not putting it out into the world, we are actually okay with using images. You can also get around that. Maybe your 6th grade teachers taught you this. This is probably a lot of information for you, but I'm going to tell you anyways right now. If you go into search tools and let's see, go to images. If you go into search tools and you go into usage rights, if you go things with if you go into one of these, like labeled for, it'll give you just pictures that you're allowed to use that are copyright free. Like there's no copyright, so you can use them freely. And I know that Miss Ehlers probably showed you some things with the Keystone, the Atomic Learning site that you can get copyright free imaging on. So just please and thank you, be responsible.